This is how a NVDA screen reader reads a page from the PDF of a high school mathematics textbook.
Mathematics. 3. 3, false, because is not an integer. 5. Example 2, find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. We can approach this problem in at least 2 ways. Solution 1, recall that to find a rational number between R and S, you can add R and. Table with 2 rows and 6 columns, row 1 column 1 through 2R. Column 3 plus S. Column 4 column 5 through 6 3. Row 2R column 1 S and divide the sum by 2, that is. R column 2 plus S column 3 2. Column 4 lies between R and S. So, 3 column 5 2. 3 column 6 is a number out of table.
As you have heard, NVDA is reading from a table even if it is not present. For a fraction 3 by 5, it is read as 3 and 5. To make PDF accessible, PDF2.NYMLEX converts it into an HTML file, but that HTML file is also inaccessible. This is how NVDA reads the HTML from PDF2.NYMLEX.
Localhost /PDF2 char. Clickable 5. Is not an integer. Example 2, find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. We can approach this problem in at least 2 ways. Solution 1, recall that to find a rational number between R and S, you can add R and S and divide the sum by 2, that is, 2. RS plus lies between R and S, so 3. 2 is a number between 1 and 2. You can proceed in this manner to find 4 more rational numbers between 1 and 2. These 4 numbers are 5 11 13 7, and 4 8 8 4. Solution 2.
We can see that the invisible table is no more present, but mathematical expression still faces problem. This problem is because the parser has added numbers in the foreground div content of the HTML, whereas division lines are present in the background as a single image of the HTML page. In this paper, we have analyzed the content as textual, which is referred as foreground containing text, table content in mathematics. To detect the bounding boxes and analyze font information, connecting component analysis helped in detection of glyphs. These glyphs, drawn with green lines, are used to match spans which are drawn on the screen with red boxes. By considering the distances between these spans' width and heights, text lines are considered as shown with blue line. Currently we have worked on a table detection with 2 algorithms. One algorithm detects table by analyzing text's bands. Its result is shown on the screen. If table structure is present as a graphical bounding box, another algorithm processes it and form an HTML framework for it. Both algorithms will be combined and tested for better detection. We have also worked on paragraphs detection. Formulas have been detected with character content and graphical content separately, which will be processed to convert into LaTeX format. Headings, header, footers and lists are not analyzed separately. Line boxes, span boxes and glyph boxes are used to detect paragraphs as shown. In the future, with these boxes and font information, work will be done on header, footer, heading levels and list.